Is your garden a reflection of your personality or just a patch of green? Let's look at 3 different garden styles and see which one speaks to you. First up, the succulent garden. Think low maintenance beauty. This garden thrives on well-draining soil and minimal water. Often found on sloped terrain or rocky areas, succulent gardens are a blend of bold, focused plants surrounded by smaller, textured foliage with a variety of leaf shapes and colors. For added flair, include shallow water bowls to create a unique, serene vibe. Next, we've got the pollinator garden, nature's party zone. This garden is designed to attract bees, butterflies, and birds with a variety of seasonal flowers rich in nectar. Flat, open flowers are a favorite of butterflies, while tubular blooms pull in birds. Fragrant flowers like lavender keep the bees coming back, and trees offer the perfect space for nesting birds. Include plants like salvias, osteospermums, and flowering herbs to make your garden a lively pollinator paradise. And finally, the formal garden, a space where symmetry and structure rule. Think neat lines, boxed hedges, mass plantings with a subtle color palette, and elegant paving or water features. Every element serves a purpose in the formal garden, creating a calm, balanced space full of sophistication. So, which garden type are you? Whether you're into attracting wildlife, playing with texture, or creating a polished, manicured space, these styles are sure to inspire you. Find everything you need at your local GCA Garden Centre or visit lifeasagarden.co.za to locate one near you.